Welcome to Sound Balance Physical Therapy. I'm Dr. Jonathon May.
And I'm Melanie.
We're creating a new series of videos which highlights the exercises in our home exercise program book.
And you can find a link to that book in the description below.
We'll be posting new content every day, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to hit the notification bell below so you can be notified every time we post.
And if there's any suggestions that you want us to make videos for, then leave a comment down below. This is one of our more advanced exercises. It's called Nordic Hamstring curls. So just as it sounds, it's focused on the hamstrings. It's a great way to strengthen your hamstrings. It is an eccentric exercise, so it's strengthening the muscle by lengthening it. So this is done by kneeling on the floor. So with this exercise, you need a way to anchor your feet or use a partner to help hold your feet down. Okay, so your partner will hold your ankles down and you're going to lean as far forward as you can without using your hands, and then you catch yourself and push yourself back up. Very good. So with this exercise, you really want to focus on staying straight through the hips. Don't bend forward. Again, this is a great way to strengthen your hamstrings. It is more advanced, so be careful and make sure that you're ready for this exercise before attempting to do it. Hopefully this is helpful for you.
If you like that content and want to see more from us, go ahead and hit subscribe down below.
Thanks for watching and keep moving.